This is one of the reasons why you've been losing anytime you're trying to trade on the Deriv of market volatilities. In this video, I'll be pointing out a few things you have been doing wrong. That's why you've been losing anytime you're trying to trade. Now, today we'll be trading digit differs, and will be the trading manual. It's going to be a manual trading. It's not a bot, but if you follow me carefully, you will make profit. If you follow the instructions I've been giving now, you are going to make profit. Okay, down here you can see that our stick is going to be 2 and our last prediction is on 1. And if you look here closely, you see that under the numbers from 0 to 9, under it you have percentage. Currently the highest percentage is 11.8, which is on 1, and the lowest is 8.6, which is on 3. Now follow me carefully. We're going to be trading here. This is where you need to pay close attention to my explanation so that you will not lose your money. Okay, we're going to be trading anytime the market changes from the highest and to the lowest. Now we're going to be considering two things: where the numbers are, where the 1 is, and where the highest percentage is and where the lowest percentage is in this video. And we are trading on volatility 10x index. We're going to be trading anytime the lower number is in the same line with the higher number. This is what I mean. 1 here has the highest number, which is 11.8, and the lowest here is 5, and under it we have 8.6. Now we're not going to trade now until, okay, fine, now we have it at 3, which is 8.5. Now is the good time to trade. And don't forget, our this thing has been on, our prediction is on 1, and we are trading differs. Take a look at this now. This is it. This is our first trade taken. It's still on 3 and it's still on 1. Take a look. This is the second trade we are picking. We are in profit already. It's still good to trade. Good. This is the third trade we are taking, and we are all in profit. It's still good to trade. We are going again. We are in profit again. Pay close attention. We are in profit. It's still good to trade. It's still good to trade. We are in profit. Good. Now we've executed up to 5 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have executed trades up to 5 trades, and we are all in profit. Now that's not all. Let's still check if they still meet the criteria. Okay, we still meet up with the criteria. It's even better now. Now we are in profit again. We are going harder. It's still good because it's still on 1 and 4, so we can still trade differs. Still very much good to trade. Still very much good to trade. I'll be telling you most important thing at the end of the video. Just watch the video till the end. I'll be sharing to you one thing again you need to apply so that you'll be profitable in this trading. As you can see here, we have executed couple of number of trade, and we have won. Or this is not bots and this is not magic. If you apply all the principles and all the things I've told you, you're going to be profitable. Okay, let's count how many that we traded and the profit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 trades, and we are all in profit. 11 trade and we are all in profit. You see, it's still very good, very much good to trade now. Okay, at this point you have to wait. Now pay close attention. We have 10, we have 1, 2, 6. At this point the market is not good to trade. You are only allowed and permitted to trade only when the highest is in 1. We have, if you either in 0 and 2, 0 to 2, that's the only time you are permitted to trade. If